Good morning, good morning. Alan Nuckman with Option Shop with your morning market stir for Thursday, February 14th. The beat goes on. Stocks continue higher yesterday. The emini S&P closed at 1517, up 1 point yesterday, with a new relative high at 1522. The range was muted once again, with 9 points between the high and the low. Dow futures did print above 14,000 yesterday, backed off to close only up 19 at 13,954. The Nasdaq was positive, up 10 at 2770. Also, we saw the euro currency continue to drift higher. It did print at 135, but backed off to finish only up 4 points at 134.50 on the day. The dollar index was below the 80 pivot level at 79.91 during the course of the session, but it ended up closing at 80.18. Bonds pushed lower down 22 at 142.5. 142 is the key support, the yearly support that we visited here in the last couple of weeks. Crude oil printed above 98, 98.11, trying to break out of that channel, but came back inside that channel. Was down 31 cents on the day at 97.20, so we'll want to keep an eye on that. Crude's been trading between 98 and 95 since January 15th. Gold continued to drift lower and disappoint, down $6 at 16.43. So after the action yesterday, where do things stand on this Thursday morning to start the new trading day? Well, we had some news over Europe that's kind of knocked the markets down a bit here. The emini S&P is down 6 points at 1511, and it's back to that channel top where it broke out from last Friday. So it'll be interesting to see how this holds around the 1510 area. Dow futures are down 64, below 13,900, and the Nasdaq's down 11, back to its support as well at 2760 that we're going to keep an eye on. The big news is the euro currency was down. It's down almost a full percent, 133.30, down 125 points right now. That's pushed the dollar index up above 80.55, and it's given bonds some support as well. We're at 143 in the 30-year Treasury, and that's up 13 ticks. The yield right now is at 3.2%. Crude oil is a little bit lower right now, down 15 cents at 96.86, and gold has bounced $3 at 16.48 after the big fall below that support of 16.60 earlier this week. So to wrap up the current action, the news out of Europe's driving the markets lower right now, and we've got the emini S&P at 1511 down 6, and the Dow futures right now down 64 with 2 hours to go before the stock market open. I will see you early Friday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. From Option Shop and the CME Group, it all comes back to commodities.